We're here in Collegetown Court. We've come up the elevator to the 4th floor and we are at the south end of the hallway. You can see there are 4 doors right next to each other because we're at the end of the hall. We're going into apartment 400, which is right here. And this is a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Again, we're on the 4th floor of this 5-floor building. As you can see, we enter through a long hallway area. This is a unique feature to the 00 line apartments. This is a great space to add a little rack for your shoes or coats or things like that. Let's go on through. We'll go through and come see the bedrooms later. Let's take a look at the living space and the bathrooms first, and then we'll come back to bedrooms. So here is the main living area. Over here on our right, we've got some seating areas. There's a TV that comes with. You can see the air conditioner that's in the living room window over here. So this is for the living room AC. I want to show you out the window because we've got this one nice and wide open. We're on the 4th floor. We're in the denser area of Collegetown. So again, we will always have buildings all the way around us, but we do get some good open sky because we are on a higher floor. And let's see, there's that TV. Let's take a look over here. Here's the dining table and chairs. Let's look at this renovated kitchen. This is a great kitchen. We've got the gray cabinets, so we've got a lot of cabinet space and drawers, the nice newer appliances. We've got that stainless refrigerator, the elevated microwave, that electric stove and oven. And look at this dishwasher over here. We don't see this style in many of our apartments, but it's a pull-out style dishwasher under the sink. So that's a unique feature here. So again, renovated kitchen. Let's go see that renovated bathroom. That's right over here on the side. And then we'll see the rooms. We love the bathroom renovations they've done in here. On the left, that long mirror is a cabinet, so that opens for more storage. The large lighted mirror is really nice to have in there. You've got the toilet, the vanity, and then over here on our right is this full-size standing shower. So that's a full standing shower in here in this renovated bathroom. We think this looks really nice, and it's a nice upgrade for the apartment. Let's go see the bedrooms. We're gonna start over here with room 1. So room 1 would be the first room as we enter the apartment. Rooms 1 and 2 are facing to the west, and they are the same size. They are slightly larger than the other 3 rooms, but not significant, just a little bit. Let's go on in. So you can see all of the bedrooms will have the same furnishings. You'll have the dresser, a desk and a chair. There'll be a large window with a mini blind, a full-size bed, and a tall bookshelf. The bookshelf is about 6 feet tall. All the rooms will also have a closet. And again, these 2 rooms are facing to the west. And again, we're in the denser part of Collegetown, so buildings around us, but we're on the 4th floor, so we still get some good sky, which makes it brighter, especially in the afternoons because we're facing west. Let's go see room 2, which matches room 1. So same thing, same setup. You can see the mini blinds are down here. So the mini blinds twist close for privacy. And there we go. Room 2 is across from the bathroom. Let's go around and see the front rooms. There are 3 rooms that are facing Dryden Road. So let's go over here to room 3. This is a corner. So because it's a corner, look at that, we get the second window. So that will make this one extra bright. We've got west and south facing windows. So that's really nice to have. And you can see down across from us is the Brazano Family Center. That's a university building. And you can see Dryden Road down below us. So the extra window is nice to have. These 3 rooms in the front are all the same layout, just this one has the extra window. Let's go on through to room 4. Same layout. There we go. They just moved the furniture around, slightly different arrangement. You can move the furniture around however you like within the apartment. All of the bedrooms will have their own deadbolt lock, which you can see like that. So you can lock the bedroom doors. There's also a deadbolt lock on your apartment door. You enter the building using a key fob entry system. Let's go over here to room 5. This is our final bedroom within here. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're here in central Collegetown. Again, you can see Dryden Road right ahead of us. From the corner of the block We are just 1 block to campus. We're just near the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road. This is a 5-floor building. We're in the 00 style apartment. This same floor plan model is available on floors 3, 4, and 5 here in Collegetown Court. So that's a look at Collegetown Court 400, a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with a renovated kitchen and bathroom.